Hey guys, so this is a skill we worked on a while back, but it's a really important skill and it reviews a lot of skills we've done in the past. So this is about regrouping fractions, and we regroup fractions or mixed numbers when we're subtracting. Now it's important when we see that we're subtracting or finding the difference between two mixed numbers that we write it like this so we can better visualize. So 3½ minus 1 3/5. Now, I'm subtracting, which means I cannot subtract with unlike denominators. My denominator is 2 and 5, okay? And I need to make them the same number, right? So looking at 2 and 5, I'm going to find the LCM, okay? And if you forgot how to do that in your head, right, you can write your easy breezy facts for 2 and 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5, 10. Perfect. Found a common, least common multiple. Going to be 10. All right, so in order to subtract, I need to make my denominators 10. So in order to get this mixed number to 10, I need to multiply by 5 on the bottom and multiply by 5 on the top. In order to make this denominator 10, I need to multiply by 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. Now let's rewrite this. It's getting messy. So 3 5/10 minus 1 6. So I'm looking at this and I'm getting ready to subtract, and I'm thinking, well, I can do 3 minus 1, but can I do 5 minus 6? No way. Okay, and what a mistake a lot of you make is you look at this and you say, oh, I can just do it this way, 6 minus 5, right? But subtraction is not commutative, okay? So we can't switch around the numbers like addition and multiplication, right? We need to do it in this order because we're taking a piece away from this. We're not taking a piece away from 1 6/10. Okay, we're taking a piece away from 3 5/10. Right? So now that we have common denominators, we need to regroup. Okay, so if I'm looking at my denominators, I have 10, right? 10 in each. That means 10 pieces, 10 equal groups. So think about it like this. If I had a cake and it was split into 10 pieces, okay, this part of it would be 5/10, 5 shaded. This part of it would be 6/10. But the whole cake, right? The whole cake is 10 over 10, right? So if I'm looking over here, this whole number is telling me that I have 3 whole cakes, right? Let's draw that. So 3 whole cakes. In each cake, there's 10 slices, okay? So each cake, there's 10 slices. 10 over 10, 10 over 10, 10 over 10. Now, I don't have enough slices over here to take 6 away from. I only have 5 slices. I can't take away 6 from that. But what I can do is I can take one of these cakes, 10 over 10, and move it over here and add some of my slices to this side. Okay, so I'm going to cross this out, right? Now I have 2 cakes, right? So my 2 whole cakes turns in from 3 whole cakes to 2 whole cakes. And I take that 10 over 10 and I bring it over here. And I just add my fractions, and they obviously will have like denominators. So let's rewrite this. So I have 2 whole cakes right now. I add my fractions, a whole cake that I took from over here plus my fraction that I had. So 5 plus 10 equals 15 over 10 minus, and we just keep this one. This one's fine. So 1 6/10. Now I can subtract. I have like denominators, and it's a bigger number minus a smaller number. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 15 minus 6, now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that's 9. And then I keep my denominator. Make sure you don't do 10 over 10. That would be silly. Okay, that's still the number of equal parts. So my mixed number is 1 9/10. There you go.